In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Razer headphones to your computer or laptop. Now this will work with all different Razer headphones, so you could have the BlackShark or the Barracuda model, basically any model of Razer headphones this is going to work for. Now the very first thing you need to do is just ensure that your headphones are fully charged. So if you haven't already done this, you can just use the USB cable that was provided when you purchased the headphones, and you can plug the USB end into your computer or laptop, and you can go and plug the USB side straight into your headphones. Now the next thing you're going to do is turn on the headphones by holding down the power button. So we're going to continue to hold this button down until you see a green light, and as soon as you see this green light turn into a blue light, we're going to release the power button. Now this blue light just indicates that the headphones are in Bluetooth mode. So once you've done this, we can come over to our computer and open up the start menu, go and search for settings and click on the settings window. In the left hand side, select Bluetooth and devices, make sure your Bluetooth is turned on and enabled, and then go and press add device. You can then select Bluetooth, and your Razer headphones should now appear in this list. So as long as the blue light is flashing on your headphones, then they should appear in this list, and you can simply go and select them like so, and that's going to connect over to your headphones. So as you can see here, that they're connected and ready to start using. And all we need to do now is come down to the volume icon in the bottom right hand side. You can then click on this icon which is select a sound output, and just make sure your output device is set to your headphones. You may also need to turn up the volume on the headphones as well. There's just a small dial on the side of the headphones, and this adjusts the volume of the headphones themselves. So that's it guys, let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.